Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb on Samsung phones. So to do that, just go to settings and tap on notifications, and we have here Do Not Disturb. Let's go inside. And let's read first. Do not disturb mutes all calls, notification and other alerts except for those you choose to allow. And from here you can enable or disable this feature. But before to do this, let's read. First, for how long? You can select until I turn it off for 1 hour or more, or you can select ask every time and then just tap OK. Also, you can schedule some sleeping, and from here you can set the time and then just press done. And also you can select the days. I will select all days except Sunday and Saturday, and then just tap save. And let's go further. From here you can allow during Do Not Disturb calls and messages. You can add some contacts, and also you can allow calls, contact only, favorite contacts only, or none. You can repeat callers, and this feature allow calls when they are received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. You can disable or enable this feature, and also you can allow some messages from contacts only or favorite contacts. Now let's go back. Also you can allow some app notifications. You can add here some apps, and this will be allowed when the Do Not Disturb is turned on. Alert and sounds. You can allow some alerts, media sounds, or whatever you want when Do Not Disturb is turned on. And the last one is hide notifications. And from here you can hide all notifications when Do Not Disturb is turned on. Or when the screen is off, you can hide full screen notification and let's say hide app icon badges. Okay, and now I'm back, and let's enable Do Not Disturb. And let's say I will enable for 2 hours and then just press turn on, and that's all. And here you will see that Do Not Disturb is turned on. So I hope this feature to be useful for you. I think it is very useful, and also this tutorial helps you. And see you to the next. Have a nice day.